Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to refresh your library on Audible. So, once you open your Audible application and your library is not refreshing, you can go to your library and just swipe down for a refresh. But if it's not working, you can go to your profile, then go to the settings, which is in the top right corner, right here, and then go to your library, and then click Refresh Library. And as you can see, you have a notification that your library has been refreshed. So this is how you can refresh your library in Audible. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!